doing? You jumping? No. You want that to cover again? Ooh, throw it. Good job. Did you do that? Uh-oh. Do you want it? Yes? Okay. There you go. You're welcome. Oh. What happened? Did you throw it again? Here you go. You're welcome. Where's your teddy bear? He's under the blankie. Look under the blankie. In here, Logan. You find him? Uh-oh. Where'd he go? Did you throw him? No? Find him. There he is. Yes. You're welcome. Are you having fun? Oh, no. Logan. Beep boop. There's a teddy bear. You're welcome. Hey, what are you doing? Are you stuck? Is the teddy bear stuck? There you go. He doesn't sit back there. Oh boy. Quit throwing him out. Why don't you stop throwing him out? Hmm? No. Why are you throwing him out? Is it fun?
Mama.
Last time. Here you go. You're welcome. Hey, hey, hey. What did I say? Quit throwing him out.
Mama.
Do you want your bear?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna get him again. You're welcome. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, you're a turkey. Can you jump? Can you show me how you jump? Whoa. Whoa. Jump again. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye to the camera? I'm going to turn it off. Bye-bye. Say it again.